Hey bestie, ready to glow like the sun this summer? Here's your summer glow up guide. The mental, physical, and main character kind. 1. Skincare glow up. First things first, skin. We are not melting this summer, okay? Here's the glow up routine that actually works in the heat. Cleanser. Stick to a gentle gel or foam cleanser to keep it fresh. SPF. Non-negotiable, every single day. Moisturizer. Lightweight, but hydrating. Think gel creams. Bonus. Add a vitamin C serum to brighten and fight dullness. 2. Hair transformation. Next up, let's fix the frizz and bring your hair back to life. Summer equals sun damage and dry ends. So here's what to do. Oil your hair once a week. Rosemary or coconut oil works wonders. Deep condition or use a hair mask once a week. Avoid too much heat. Let it air dry with a little leave-in cream. Finish with a cute summer hairstyle, braids, claw clips, or beachy waves. 3. Body and fitness. This glow up isn't just about the face. It's full body, baby. Water. Hydrate like your life depends on it, because it does. Move your body. Walks, pilates, stretching, whatever you enjoy. Body care. Exfoliate 2x a week. Moisturize daily. And don't forget SPF on your shoulders, neck, and legs. 4. Style refresh. You don't need a whole new wardrobe. Just elevate what you've got. Light, breathable fabrics. Add accessories. Sunglasses, layered necklaces, scrunchies, cute sandals, or white sneakers equals summer essential. Confidence is the real outfit though. 5. Mental glow up. The ultimate glow up also means inner peace. Journal your goals, thoughts, and affirmations. Detox from social media now and then. Read something that inspires you. Romanticize your life. Iced drinks, walks at golden hour, sunsets, soft music. You deserve it. This summer is yours. Glow up in your own way. No pressure, no rules. Just become the version of you that feels best. If this video gave you some inspo, like, comment your fave tip. And don't forget to subscribe for more glow up and lifestyle vibes. See you next time, besties.